have to be very much patience for it. You have to take meditations, you have to take proper diet as well. Today I am very much elated and very much happy that what result I got. Hello everyone, myself Tika Bahadur. I came in Kolkata last year for my hair transplant on the 11th June 2021. That time I didn't aware that it is a very advanced hair transplant, which I never knew that time. When I came here, I talked with the consultant, senior doctors as well. Then I got to know that it's a advanced hair transplant clinic. Through that, we can get a bald area could be covered with that new roots. So when I got to know, and I was a little bit hesitate and very much in a dilemma that whether I should go forward for the hair transplant or not. So when I talked with the consultant and doctors, senior doctors, they gave me assurance and gave me confidence that if you go forward for it and you will get a new roots, and it would not be in a dilemma for others, for confusion for others, that whether you have then a hair transplant or not. So after that I did my hair transplant. I have completed my first 1 year, and today I came for third PRP. How was my journey? I just want to share with you all that last year I did that. I was little bit confused after that, after my hair transplant, but after 2-3 months I got that results. After one PRP I did here, and then after I got little bit new roots were coming out, and then after I got that confidence, the whole bald area will be covered. And I gone through lots of videos, YouTube videos of new roots, and I have in touch with the other consultants from of the other staffs and from New Roots. So they have given me confidence on that time as well, because I was little bit sad, because after transplant the most of the person get very much depressed, because the root which has been pursed inside the head. No, it was not like it is not a one time and at a certain time you will get that result. It will take time, at least 2-3 months you have to wait for that. You have to be very much patience for it. You have to take meditations, you have to take proper diet as well, and whatever doctor consults you, you have to take all that things. And after that you will get the result after 3 months, 4 months as well. And today I'm very much elated and very much happy that what result I got, and what result what the inner experience from my side. I just want to share with you all that hope that whatever I shared with you all, that you will get confidence, and you will definitely come here in New Road, Kolkata. If you have bald area, you want to cover it, you come to Kolkata New Road Clinic and you just get a new face and new hair in your life. Thank you so much.